First thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these plastic bumpers, the front and the rear, and then also this body mount. I'm taking a before weight of the whole vehicle with the battery and everything. It's 8.1 ounces. So we'll see how much heavier it is once I get everything put on. 8.1 is the starting weight. I got the hot racing ones for this. We have the rear body mount support, the aluminum front bumper with the light buckets, and then we also have an aluminum front bumper mount. Okay, let's do a little weight comparison. I have it set on grams. So this is 2 grams. So the stock rear bumper and body mount is 2 grams. Let's see if we gained any weight with this. 4. So it's twice as heavy as the stock one. Let's switch the front, and for that we're going to swap out this bumper mount and the bumper. Let's see if putting the front bumper on, now these are the stock ones, see if that registers anything. It doesn't, so not enough weight to register on the scale. Let's put the front bumper on and see if we can get a total. We got 3 grams. The stock is barely a gram. So with the front bumper mount, and the rear bumper body mount, we gained 4 grams total. Because we'll count this stock as 1, even though it didn't register. Okay, I want to do one final weigh-in. This was 8.1, starting completely stock. And we moved up to 8.3 ounces. So we did gain a little bit of weight, and we got some nice bumpers to go with it. But thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you want to see more SCX24 upgrades, because I have a whole lot more in store for this Deadbolt.